In this video, I'll show you how to reset color settings in Windows 11 PC or laptop. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. At first, you need to head over to your stats bar, right? Click on it. Once I've clicked on it, you're going to click on the settings. And right now in the settings, you'll be displayed with a whole lot of options, right? So click on these personalizations. Once I've clicked on it, you're going to click on the color. Right now, this is your Windows color settings, right? And from here, you'd have your Windows color mode, how you want your Windows to appear, whether the light or the dark mode. You can select any one. You can turn on or turn off the transparency effect. From the accent color, you can select any one you want, right? The manual or the automatic, right? Then from the Windows color, you can pick any one of your choice from here. And down here, you can see show accent colors, right? You can adjust or reset any of these colors from your own preference and choice. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.